My darlings, a few days ago, three of our own artists of international standing won Grammy Awards. We all celebrated their talent, hard work, and global success, and rightly so. But beyond the music and the award, there is something very important we should also pay attention to. These artists proudly carry their Igbo names. Yes, they rock their Igbo identity gallantly. Despite being born and raised abroad, they are not ashamed of where they come from. They do not hide their Igbo identity. Instead, they wear it boldly and confidently before the whole world. They represent Igbo fully and proudly. Names are powerful. A name is not just a label. It carries meaning, history, culture, and identity. Igbo names in particular are deep, philosophical, and rich in meaning. They often speak about God, life, values, experiences, and wisdom passed down from our ancestors. When you carry an Igbo name, you are carrying a story. Let us look closely at the names of these global stars. Jabozi's real name is Collins Obinna Chibueze. Obinna means the father's heart, a name that reflects love, value, and pride. Chibueze means God is king indeed. With his success and influence, he is truly reigning at the top. Tyler, the creator's real name, is Tyler Gregory Okoma. Okoma means handsome man, simple, strong, and dignified. Then we have the incredible, talented Cynthia Erivo, whose full Igbo name is truly powerful and beautiful. Cynthia Chinasoku Onyedimma Nazu Owezuike Amarachukwu Echimino Erivo. Even many of us here do not have such a rich collection of Igbo names. Cynthia Erivo is truly exceptional. Now, let us break down some of these names. Let us break down some of these names. Chinasoku means God answers prayers or God responds to petition. Onyedimma Nazu is a very deep and philosophical name. It roughly means who is good behind. In other words, no one is truly good behind your back. People may smile with you in front, but mock or criticize you behind you. It reflects deep wisdom about human nature. Amarachukwu means the grace of God. Owezuike can mean and she rests it. However, if the name is Uwa Ezuke, it means the world is not enough. Echimono is often interpreted as stop worrying too much or do not overthink. Erivo is quite obtuse to me. Please, my MBC people, Biko, explain what Erivo means to us. I know it's related to eating and enjoyment. Or am I wrong? Please help me out in the comment section. Now, all these names are heavy with meaning, culture, and philosophy. They are not random. They tell stories. They carry wisdom. They carry identity. I remember when I was in school, my full name is Emenalom Ogechukwu Lillian. So, but we shortened it to EMEH, which is Ame, because that name was long. Yeah. So my grandmother then, my father's siblings, they are older now. I usually refer to them as my grandmothers. They were telling us to change our name from Ame Nalom to, that is from Ame to Joel, because my father's name is Joel, though he is late. I didn't like it. I and my brother, I think three of my siblings, that is me and my two elder brothers, we refused to answer. Okay, I think our second son changed his to Joel. But I and my elder brother, we were still answering Amy because I didn't know how to come and change. Yeah, Joel is my father's name, but it has been, westernized. Joel. Yeah, Joel is my father's name, but I didn't like Joel. So with time, I get to understand why I didn't want to change that name. That Amy, I don't even know that man. That man is like the fifth, my fifth. Like I don't even know how to. I think that's my fourth ancestors. That name, it's been there. That name is a general name for every all our lineage should answer Amy. Emenalom. That name tells a story. That Emenalom means Emenalomobi. Do not break my heart. Emenalomobi. Yes. So now I'm getting to know why I did not change that name. I really, really loved that name. And I'm not changing it. I am not. Yeah. So names are very powerful. The simple point I am making is this: we should all be proud of our Igbo names and our Igbo identity. That is just it. If our brothers and sisters abroad who grew up in foreign lands, surrounded by different cultures, can proudly bear and showcase their Igbo names to the world, why should we who live here in Nigeria abandon ours completely for English names? It honestly does not make sense. It doesn't. Listen, there is nothing wrong with English names, but there is everything right with embracing who we are. Our names are our heritage. They connect us to our ancestors, our language, our values, and our story as a people. Mahumad Obiana, Christiana, Nathaniel. I don't know, all their names are English names. Paul Mercy, Cynthia, Favor, Godwill. How now? There is no single Igbo name. You are an Igbo girl or an Igbo boy. You don't have a single Igbo name attached to your names. Giburu ahokotoko English na Gary. Imonye Peter. Do you know the lineage of Peter? Can you trace Peter? Maybe your name now is one Joko. You have one Joko. Eba get trace one Joko. E trace one Joko now. And when they one Joko and when the man and one Joko existed, they are your ancestors. These are the God that you see. But now people don't understand. Your ancestors are your God. These people are the people that have paved the way for you that you are enjoying now. And when any little enjoyment or privileges as an Igbo person, it is your ancestors that paved that way for you. They have lived hundreds of centuries before you came. They can tell you what happened. I could call him in if you go to the village. Make sure you go close to your grandmothers. Let them tell you stories. They are folklores. It's nice. All the therapeutic. But most of you are why you know Jina Swan no one pastor guy as soon as your name is the man from the pit of hell. Shalababa. And now wine in your brain. Ge hapwa hanage. Naza hune na amage. Mama Peter owo nya aberio. Mama Paul, my history Paul. Can you tell the history of that name in Naza? Can you tell what do you represent? You remove your identity. You know your identity in Diozo. It's very shameful. If you are in that situation, she did now go to court and go and change your name. See, let us stop running away from our identity. Let us stop hiding our names. Let us be proud to be Igbo at home and abroad. After all, if you don't value who you are, the world will not value you either. Yes. See, I'm not supposed to bring in this, but you see all those people that are denying their Igbo identity. Oh, I'm not Igbo, I'm Delta, I'm from River State. If they travel abroad, nobody knows River State, nobody knows Ikwere, nobody knows. They all know Igbo collectively. Yes, and trust me, a lot of them that are running away from their identity and their heritage, that is why most of them are having problems today. I'm telling you. Stop denying your identity. Stop the moment you realize your root and go back to where you come from, you see things will start aligning naturally. But if you continue denying who you are, oh my God, the enemies will clamp you down. Bye, guys. There we go. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.